All right, hey y'all, it's me again. In the shop, I closed my garage door because it's a little cold, and there were some landscapers out there. So if you hear some noise, that's what's going on. But I got an unboxing, and I'm gonna give you a hint. Mustang motorcycle seats. Big hint right there. So yeah, I heard that the stock seat on the Superlows aren't all that comfortable, and well, I went shopping. So let's unbox it. Let's get down to it. Let's unbox it. It came today. In fact, I was getting ready to take a ride around the neighborhood because I don't have tags or anything, and UPS showed up. So let's get this thing opened. It's the well, I'll show you, because they make a whole bunch of them. Let's see if I can do this without. Oh, and check out my flag on my garage door. So here she is. Hold on one sec. Let me get something to cut that. Hold on. Okay. One. I think it's on another one back here. One back here. There's three of them. Got that one. So here she is. Oh. It's the, I think it's the vintage series. Oops. Sorry, I might not be doing a real good job of this. You might not be able to see what I was doing. So apologies, let me readjust here. All right. Great, they put this twisty tie on here. They weren't messing around. All right, so give you a better idea what this is. It's for the Harley-Davidson Sportster 2004 to 2019. Mine's a 2019 solo and passenger seat. Comes with a little, looks like for the screw. That might be for the screw to accept the screw. Yeah. So installation after removing seat, remove the plastic plug. All right. So here it is. Give you a better shot. I heard that's it's a lot more comfortable than the stock. In case you want to know the catalog number, it's 76159. It's for the XL 2004 up with the 4.5 gallon tanks. That's important. Oh, I even got the serial number there. Okay, well, good. So you got to make sure that you plug in the right gas tank and the year and everything. So there you have it. I'm going to put it on, and let me get reconfigured for that. All right, so sit tight, and I'll be back in a few. All right, I adjusted the height of my camera, so hopefully you get a better kind of bird's eye view. I got a beefy screwdriver. It's a regular, because that's what my screw is. It's a regular. Yeah, it's a little noisy. Okay, there she goes. All right, so there's that. Yeah, see, it's a regular screw. Now, I just think it's a matter of lifting the seat up and sliding it back. Lifting the seat up, sliding it back. I don't think there's anything else to do besides that, other than not to scratch the paint or anything. But hold on. Let me pause you and check it out. I'll be back. Okay, I got it figured out. You gotta slide it up and then lift up, because there's a, yeah, right in here. And I'm assuming my new seat has that. This little keyway matches this little peg here. So you have to slide it, push it up, and then lift up and out. So we got that. Here's my original seat. All right, so hold on 1 minute. We'll be back. All right, changing views here for a second because I want you to check out the differences. See, the stock seat has this bracket here, but my new seat does not. So it's got the hole, and I don't know if that's going to be an issue because I haven't tried it yet. This looks a little bit different compared to this, compared to that. Looks a little different. All right. That, I think it's going to be okay. I don't know. Confidence is low. Just yet. Confidence is low. See, that's got to fit in there. That's got to go. Okay, so let's try it. I'm going to wipe this down real quick before I... No, I'm wondering. No, it still should still be that one. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, that's the one I took it out of. Okay, so... Let's, I'm going to wipe that down. I'm going to put you back up on the perch, and we'll come back. So sit tight. Okay, she's all wiped down, ready to go. I'm hoping she's ready to go. Let's try it out. See what happens. Let's try her out. That just wants to slide in here, right? I can't see any other way to do it. Yeah, that's got to be where it wants to go, right there, not because that's a weld. And so it's got to be in that spot right there. Let's see. It's a snug fit. I gotta push on it a little bit to get it a little snugger. Okay. It's not an exact fit. Because look, I don't know if you can see. It's not sitting down. But I think that'll change when I put the screw in, all right? So that's what I'm hoping for. Now it came with this piece here. Sorry, came with this, but I don't think I need that. I think that was for if it was something like this. But I already have this down there to accept the screw, so I'm going to use the old spot, the old location. This should be okay. So I push it a little bit. Just push down on it. Get the screw started. See, it's a little bit off. Okay, that's better. That's better. Got to muscle it in a little bit. Get the screw started. Okay. Get a nice beefy screwdriver. And just cinch it down. Alright, that should be it. Hold on one sec, I'll change views so you get a better view. Okay, that's the new seat. She's in. I haven't sat on it yet, but I can't wait to do that. A lot different than the stock one. All right, here's the stock. And there's the one I just put on. Okay. Oops, excuse. Yeah, that's a better shot right there. I don't know, I think I like it. And it's in, there was only 2 points of contact. Up here, and then back here. So, install went fine. You got to muscle it in. You got to push it up a little bit to make sure you got good alignment down here with this screw in the rear fender. But other than that, I think I'm going to call it done. So I'll leave you there, and we're going to sit on it. We're going to sit on it and see how we like it. All right, so hold on. Let me leave you with this shot right here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, more to come. Stay tuned.